Hi everybody, this is user1 and we are gonna be trying to make our game work for once. So what I wanna do is I wanna skip ahead. First of all, I'm just gonna make a comment here that I am skipping ahead because I have not completed this character creation section, but what I wanna do is add a lot of placeholders which I will fill out later on. So for now I'm gonna do placeholder and I'm gonna PR location game. So I think we're gonna you know what, we're gonna do intro. We're not gonna make an intro yet, but we're just gonna have a PR location set to intro. And we're gonna while PR location set to intro and while put intro here. This is how people write programs. Right, PR location load. Now this is gonna be what happens if a program is loaded, and how does it know that PR location equals load? Well, as you can see in the menu, PR location can be new or it can be load. You can only load the game or make a new game, or you can quit the program. Those are your options right now. Maybe I'll add a settings menu later. For now, those are your options. Menu displayed. Yep, everything is good. Let's log. Oh, it's gonna log it automatically. It already logs it here. Okay, so I did it properly. Okay, good. Okay. Hold on. Let's copy this. I want to copy this. Where is it? There you go. This. I want to copy this so it logs what's going on. Put intro here and then PR location equals game. Just gonna be game. While PR location equals game. Now this is where we're actually gonna have our game. Just here. It's casually gonna be sitting here, you know what I mean? It's gonna be in a loop, and while the game is playing, it's gonna be in a loop in here. Okay? Maybe there's a better way to do it, but hey. One thing that's bad is there's no way to go back to the menu unless we make a huge while all over everything, which we could do. But it's not a concern right now, but it's just something that we have to think about going forwards. Okay, so loading, right? We need to somehow load a character. So what does the character have right now? This is everything a character has. Go away. Go away. Right. John Smith, 21, male, and all that stuff. Okay. Right. Also faction, it's pretty important. Yeah, I forgot that I lost this file, the sample file, which is bad. I kinda silly that I lost it. Maybe we should finish. I mean, we have finished everything that was necessary, so that's good that we did that. Let's just have it load everything that's necessary, because you just pick charisma, intellect, and muscle. You don't pick anything else, right? I think that's it for now. I could have him pick something else, but let's have What else can we have in player data? I think cache is important, but it's more of an inventory thing though. Maybe we should just list things. Maybe we shouldn't like care about anything else. Inventory cache. Let's do mood first, okay? Let's just do mood. Mood. Okay, need water, need. Yeah, what was the graph? Okay, I have to look at the graph again, unfortunately. Logical needs tree or triangle. That's how I like to go. There you go. So this is all you need. So at the bottom is the basic needs, and maybe we should just include that because I don't know how we're gonna include anything else. Self-fulfillment needs. Okay, so basic needs. So this is the most important stuff you need: food, water, warmth, and rest. And then it's security and safety. So need water, need food. I don't need. I'm not gonna put warmth there because I don't know how I'm gonna do temperature. I'm gonna just put rest there. Need safety. How am I gonna do safety? I'm just gonna keep it as a placeholder. I'm gonna figure it out later. You know what I also need? I gotta put hit points and mood. Hit points is HP, literally, so. How many? Here's the thing, I'm not gonna call it health because I wanted to call it health earlier, but I decided against it because here's the thing, right? For example, if you take crack cocaine, it's not gonna make you healthier, but it is gonna make you take more damage before you pass out and become useless. So this is hit points. I think I'm gonna say it's hit points. Just like in D&D, you know? D&D hit points. How do you calculate? See? It's hit points, not anything else. So right, so load, we need it to, this is something that's going to be generated when the game starts, I think. Maybe, I don't know, or maybe we should generate it here. Maybe we should generate right before the game starts, just casually. Character need water, character need food, character need rest, character need safety, and everything is going to be out of 100. Hit points, let's do character hit points, just so. Character mode. 100, everything is 100. At the start, everything is 100, and then it just goes down from there. Or maybe it should go up. Okay, so let's just do the more is the better. Okay, so this is how much it's satisfied, how much this need is satisfied, okay? And how good is your mood out of 100? So you feel very good at the start, I guess, because we don't have self-fulfillment. It doesn't mean you feel like you feel excellent. It just means that you feel okay. Okay, 100 means you feel okay. 0 means you feel dreadful and just terrible. But that's okay because that's just your mood. Hit points 0 means you're dead. Okay, that's good. That's how we're gonna go. We also need to do some sort of a time scale, and maybe every hour or so. So we need the new world time. 0 world day 0. There you go. Okay. This is terrible. This is not gonna go well. Now we're gonna do inventory cash, and we're gonna count cash in cents. Okay? Don't make dollars, don't make sense. Or maybe credits, just arbitrary credits. How about that? Just like many games do that, where they do arbitrary credits. How do you do a credit symbol? How to make a credit symbol. Copyright, not copyright. Look at all these symbols. Oh my god, I misspelled credit. Maybe a cent symbol is gonna... No, cent symbol. I can't spell things, Jesus. What's the alt code for that? Alt code. Okay, so cent 155. Okay, so I'm just gonna type 155 for cents, and I'm gonna pretend that it's a not. I don't want to do dollars because it's a video game. You know, I want to do its own currency kind of thing, you know? So that I don't have to equate it to anything. Okay. Because my game isn't based in America or Europe. It's based on its own island. Its own isolated place. Fictional place, so it's not in a country that exists in real life. So there you go. Alright. So inventory cash. Should we also have bank? I think bank is gonna be more location thing. Maybe we can have like accounts and stuff like that. Man, that's getting complicated. It's getting complicated. Okay. Right. Inventory. We're gonna keep it this much for now. Character cash. We're gonna give our character a starting capital of 50,000 or 500. Let's do 50,000, and we're gonna make the game display it like this, so it looks like you actually have 500 and zeros, couple of zeros as well. I think that's gonna be easier. So it's gonna be credits and cents. Okay, right. Now we need to load this thing up. We need to load where's the loading? There you go. This is the loading process. So for loading, we need to ask the player, enter your full name. Enter full name of your character. Or just full name. Or first name, last name, just like last time. In that case, we could just copy from here. We could just copy from there. Just copy from there over to here. There we go. Okay, awesome. And now you, instead of grabbing it, you need to open the file and you need to set the file as your own. So where do I set the files? New, I believe it's like down here. There we go. And instead of file read lines, we're gonna file save lines. That's pretty simple. Okay, we gotta take that and we're gonna grab this instead. There we go. And I'm gonna have the game show the player the files. Okay. Instead of write line, you're gonna have to read line. That's a thing. And instead it's gonna read, instead of me having to put character age, it's gonna return character age. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it here. There we go. So now you can load the game in my game. Finally, right? You can save and you can load. What else do you need? Huh? You're done. Guys, sorry I didn't shout some people out for the donation. It takes a while. I have to do it by hand, so that means I have to add and edit an actual donation thing. Let me show you what I mean. Sorry for diverting from the topic. I just feel like I have to address this real quick because I haven't updated it. I have an actual PNG that goes on top of my intro, and this is how it looks like. Why does Microsoft switch to this app that makes the background look black? It's stupid. But anyway, yeah, I haven't updated it in a long time. I'm sorry, I'm gonna update it. But yeah, let's get back to the game. Right, so loading a game. This is what we do. We load a game. It's gonna load everything, and now it's gonna display everything. Hold on, I have displayed everything before as well. So just do that. Okay, then go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, and if it's correct, what you need to do is simply, oh my god, go away, is simply program location intro. Text window. Right line, intro, placeholder, text window, pause. There we go. And yeah, and it's just gonna go in player location game, and it's gonna stay here forever, unless we do something with it. But let's see how it looks like right now. Okay, I did something weird. Oh yeah, I need to change those to read line instead of write line. I forgot. My bad. Now it should run. Okay, load game. So now if we enter John Smith. Oh, no, it's not gonna. Okay, so here's the problem. If I enter an invalid name, it just does nothing, pretty much. It just does nothing. Good thing it doesn't create anything, but it does nothing, which is bad. It should do something. So also it doesn't loop. It went to oh no, it shouldn't go there. Oh jeez, why did it go there? Why did it go to... Oh yeah, because it's... Okay, yeah, I'm stupid. I shouldn't have put that there. I should have put that there. There we go. Now it should be good. Okay. Alright, now if I enter an invalid name and say no, it should just loop around. There you go. Okay, now it's good. Right, so now if we enter John Smith. Oh! Why did this happen? Hold on, I have a character named John Smith and he has all the data. Why didn't it? Also, it's not showing gender. Oh my god, I'm silly. Okay, we're gonna add the gender line. We should just call it sex, but let's go with gender. Just whatever, just gender. Okay, also I should add that there, just copy paste. There should be a... I should just put that into a... I'm like putting so much... Yeah, I should be doing it differently. Alright, just whatever. We'll fix that later. There we go, okay. Alright, so we should be fine now, I guess, maybe. Alright, character, I don't get why it didn't load the files. It should have. It should have. Age reads from line 3, gender reads from line 4, nationality reads from line 5. I do not have nationality display though. But that can be fixed though. That can be fixed with one line. Why didn't the other ones display? That's my question. There we go. It can be displayed with fixed with one line. If we just go here and change this to character nationality and this to character nationality display, then we should be good, but we're not because it's not doing it. John Smith. Nationality is there now. Is this the right nationality? Oh no, this is the 0 nationality. What is going on? Why isn't it actually reading the files that it's supposed to read? Oh jeez, okay, troubleshooting time. Alright, log, let's see. We're already having problems, that's not good at all. So yeah, problem start. Why isn't it like displaying that it's reading any files? Well, because it's not logging that it's reading any files. Does it return false? No, it just returns the text. Okay, so it's returning nothing basically because it's returning nothing. Why doesn't it return nothing? Okay, what's system player data? System player data. Oh wait, we don't have system player data. Why is that? Why don't we have system player data? Did I just forget to add this? I think I just forgot to add this. Oh geez, okay. Okay, that's just me being silly, okay. So just copy this and then it should be good. I think so. I think I just forgot to add one thing and yeah, there we go. Now everything is alright. He's male, 21, Italian. Okay, we fixed it. Now we can load the game. Now it should go to intro placeholder. Now it should go to the game. Okay, now let's check this out. Did it go to pressing key to, I'm pressing. That should go to the game, but it doesn't. That's fine. Okay, everything else works. Oh yeah, it doesn't log it. It does go, but it doesn't log it. Okay, we just forgot to add this. Okay, now it should just, you know. Oh shit, I'm creating a new character. Okay, sure. Amanda Smith. Oh no, we're loading one. Okay. Yes, all this is correct. Intro placeholder, and then press enter again, and it should say, there you go, game. Okay, we are in the game part. Finally, took us like a lot of episodes just to get to this point, huh? Now you can create characters, and now you can load characters, which is great, and they all have their own save files. Oh, beautiful. I mean, they're still alone in their world, and their world doesn't have time. We need to invent time. I am literally a time god right now. So this is why I created world time and world day. So this is gonna be a step-based game, I suppose. Every step you make a decision, and how... Okay, world time step 1. So 1 is gonna be, it's gonna be hours. Okay, time is gonna be in hours. Day is gonna be 24 hours. Okay, right. So this is what you're gonna see. Now, you know what I want to do? I want to take all of this and put this into a do. I just want to do that, yeah. Oh, why don't I also display character stats? Yeah, I think that's important. I think it's important for people to know their own characters' statistics. Attributes, text window, right. Line. Okay, so this is gonna be... Well, it clears it here, which is good. So... Right, intellect, what were the attributes? I forgot. Intellect, charisma, yeah. Yeah, just copy this. Why am I bothering? Just copy that. Copy and pasting. A lot of copy and pasting going on. Okay, I know. Copy and pasting isn't good, but you gotta cut corners when you don't know what you're doing. I still wanna keep the announcement for the attributes. We'll just make it look a little bit fancy. Text window, bright line. Info identification. Attributes. There we go. And we're just gonna take all of that, okay? We're gonna put it in a sub file. Sub do show stats and sub. Show character stats. And there you go, and you just put everything here. There you go. And then you just go down here where it was. And for example, if we go... We have to keep this here because you don't have... This is you creating a character, so we're gonna have to keep this here, but here we can... Oh yeah, we're not loading this. We didn't load their stats yet, okay. Do clear, do show character stats. Okay. We gotta load their stats though. That's pretty important. Geez, so many things open. Just close up everything. Cancel. Just don't close it yet. Okay. Can you close everything else? Close that. Yeah, close that too. Close that. Amanda Jacobs doesn't exist anymore. Just close that. Okay. Okay, now we narrowed it down. Attributes. We gotta load attributes. Pretty important. So attributes loyalty is gonna be 100. Maybe we should like just not have loyalty for now. And that's fine because we don't really Man, this is tough. This is some tough decision making here. It's okay, I'll botch it later, okay? I'll botch it later. Okay. Alright, so what do I need to do? Oh yeah, I need to load the attributes, because those are important. So what we need to do is we just need to character attributes charisma equals just this. Okay, just this, but this changed to 6. And same exact thing for every other one, okay? Characters attributes intellect is gonna be 7. Okay. And then what you do is character attributes safety. No. Muscle. There we go. That's loading all character attributes, and now it should show you that there you go. Now it also shows you your attributes. It's good. I like that. You have identification, John Smith, male, 21, nationality Italian, attributes 54, 23 and 1. All good. All Gucci. Right. And then you can load someone else, Amanda Smith. Oh, we haven't actually created attributes for Amanda Smith yet. That's interesting. Let's create attributes for Amanda Smith. Start a new game. Amanda Smith. Age 21. Female. Polish. Yes, this is all correct. Now we're doing attributes. Charisma. She is really good at charisma. I don't think I've changed charisma to appeal. Whatever, 77, 76, 67, intellect, not so good. She's not very smart. 25, and she's not muscly at all. I mean, I can't select more than 8. So, you know, you see, if I give you anything, we already debugged this. So this is good. 8. Yeah, I mean, if I want to change it, I can just press N and I can do it again. So I like it. I think it works. Intellect. She's very charismatic, but she's not very intelligent, and there's no muscle. There you go. Perfect. Intro placeholder, nothing, and then you just switch. Okay, all good. All good. And then we can check the log to see how good it is. It's all good. It's all good. Shows everything. Here's program start. No, there's program start. That's the latest program start. Menu displayed. While your PR location is now new, program location is new character. Then you create characters. Are you sure this is all correct? And everything is done and everything is shown, and it's all great. It's all just beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let's PR PR location game. Let's get it going. Let's get it going with the PR location game. So we need to make some sort of a time thing, you know? You know what? Let's save this for the next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. No pun intended. And stay awesome about the time thing. No pun intended. Jeez.